Hi, I'm Lori. Welcome to Paul Brownstein's office. I'm going to show you around. There's my office. This is where all the magic happens. So now we're going to go into the consultation office.
Well, we work together as a team. This is my paralegal assistant, I'm the attorney, and clients get to see both of us when time is necessary.
So I greet the clients, and then after they become our clients, I answer their questions. I help them to feel more comfortable. I can guide them. I can't give legal advice, but I can direct them and, help them along the way, because often it's not a nice process. Any questions they have, emails they need answered, processing of court documents, paperwork, putting together their complaints, divorce complaints, custody complaints, not their complaints, things like that.
You're hearing Lori talk a lot about lawyer type stuff. Talk about paperwork and filings and all the rest of that. And behind all of that, I'm here winding up having to give the clients the best legal advice possible. And very often, we wind up going to court. And a day like last week, a typical day might have been an unusually heavy one. I was in court virtually every day, all day long. It's part of what this business is about. I try my best not to let the client go to court. I let them understand that going to court is a costly venture and best to be avoided when you can settle things. But still, when I'm at court, doing the things that people think lawyers do, if you watch that on TV a heck of a lot, the office is still open. Lori's still here, and Lori is able to handle the stuff that has to get done. And I always tell people, when you call this office, you will get somebody to answer the telephone. And that is the number one complaint I've read about lawyers from the American Bar Association, which is, I hired my lawyer, and I had a hard time getting a hold of him after that. If you call here and I'm here, I will take your call. But to save you time, and save you money too, if you call here and it's a question that Lori can answer, and she can answer a lot, then you're not getting put on the lawyer's meter by the hour, which is a problem for many people, because it is costly, and it's nice to avoid that if you can. When I retained Lori to come work for me, I made a real funny joke, but I meant it. I'd like to be able to have myself disappear for 6 months, and people wouldn't notice. That's not any slam against me. I meant, of course, that if you talk to her, you're getting, to the extent that she's not an attorney, number one, good advice, and proper advice, and expeditious help as well. If you call us after hours, the phone rings just fine. We get voicemail messages, and it says, we'll call you right back. It normally doesn't mean tonight, right, Lori? Because
Right.
we're not here at night, and very little of what we do makes a difference at night anyway. So for that reason, we will call you the next business day, and we do call back.